A major controversy involving Anna University at Chennai has come up in the state of Tamil Nadu, where the entire opposition is unanimously demanding the resignation of the Vice Chancellor M.K. Surappa. Interestingly, this issue has three main components to it, and the first one is about getting the IOE, that is the Institute of Eminence tag. Now, Anna University actually is an epitome when it comes to educational institutions. It was set up in 1978, and currently there are 550 engineering colleges that are affiliated to this institution. The thing is that Institute of Eminence is a kind of tag. If once acquired by any institution, it comes up with 1,000 crores grant that will be provided in 5 years term. Interestingly, half of it will be provided by the center, whereas the other half will be provided by the state. That is the kind of plan behind it. And what has occurred is that M.K. Surappa had gone ahead and applied for it, and here rises the controversy. Two parts. One, the opposition claiming that this is a form of central government allegedly trying to take over the institute which belongs to Tamil Nadu government, with thousands of students studying over here. And the bigger problem is that since it comes under the state government, actually there is 69% reservation that is coming into under a threat because of this IOE, as no clarity has been provided what will happen to the institute and the Tamil Nadu government's reservation policy when this institute gets IOE tag. Not just that, the opposition also claims that M.K. Surappa had gone ahead and without the consent of the Tamil Nadu government has applied for it. M.K. Surappa on his end tried to provide an explanation stating that the proposal was designed back in 2017. He was doing a follow-up and met with the Chief Minister nearly 5 times, providing the explanation over the proposals, and the last one was around end of May. But because there was a timeline for the institute to apply for IOE, he gone ahead and wrote a letter on 2nd of June. This is where the controversy arises, because in this part it looks like M.K. Surappa did not actually get proper consent from the Chief Minister, so it is being considered that it was kind of like a bypass. The second controversy here is that details about reservation policies, the 69% reservation policy, will it be safe? Will the Tamil Nadu government's policy will be followed? Those answers have not been provided a proper answer. M.K. Surappa would only provide the actual information that was provided through letter conference, stating that that policy will not be touched. However, educational activists who meticulously went through the UGC regulations regarding Institute of Eminence, they actually state that there is no proper explanation as to what exactly happened to the reservation policies of the state, as once this institute becomes gets an IOE tag, even though the ownership remains with the state government, the actual regulation goes to the center. These details were not properly given, and that's why they are also opposing it, whereas the state government, AIADMK government, is apparently not happy with what M.K. Surappa has done, because he has mentioned certain details over there. Interestingly, as per sources, we come to know that the state government has said that, like I mentioned earlier, that half the amount of the grant the state government cannot provide currently because of economical restraints, for which M.K. Surappa had voluntarily gone ahead and said that that amount could be generated from the institute itself. So the question arises whether M.K. Surappa had bypassed the Higher Education Ministry of the state, the Chief Minister, and applied for it, and is it does it have an ulterior motive as it being described by the state opposition, that is DMK, MDMK, CPM, CPI, and various other parties. With all this thing, that controversy has landed in Anna University, one of the epitome institutes when it comes to education, especially engineering. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for Mirana.